nature's jacuzzi. Sometimes you just can't stop shivering when you get out. Seriously, this is no joke. My teeth are chattering, listen. 25 minutes and I'm seriously after dropping. I really need to go and get cake. When you go to a new swim spot and you're not really sure that you're going to find it, and you think, well, I'm running out of time, I'm contemplating even getting in there. That's what happened today. Ankle deep. And we didn't know we were going to find the amazing spot we have just been to. So we thought, well, we need to dip, and that's the closest water. So we would have, but we didn't have to. We would have got in there. Here we are today. How are you doing, Andrea?
I'm good.
Always. Beautiful. What an office. Love it.